The best longboards for cruising. The best longboard is one that suits your size, level of skill, and, most importantly, your style. Longboarding has become a popular sport among all age groups, as there is nothing more thrilling than gliding or cruising along smooth terrains without a care in the world. Floating on your longboard while enjoying the beautiful scenery can liberate your mind from stress and strain and help you take a moment to cherish the ride. But to do that, you first need to pick the right longboard. With a plethora of brands, designs, shapes, colors, and sizes available on the market, choosing the ideal longboard can become a daunting task. Moreover, the technical jargon and the different characteristics can confuse you all the more. That's why we have simplified the process for you and reviewed the 5 best longboards that match your style to let you crusade effortlessly. Number 1. Best Anti-Wheel Bike Technology, Retrospec Zed Longboard, Pintail Black Pipeline. This top longboard boasts of a classic surfboard feel and shape, with a stylish pintail deck, measures 44 by 9.5 inches, and is crafted with sustainably sourced artisan bamboo and 8-ply Canadian maple. High speed and extreme accuracy are assured for handling all your adventures, thanks to the high-precision ball bearings in the ABEC 7 tolerance grade. It features extremely shock-absorbent, durable and sturdy 70 by 51 mm 85 APU wheels, which have a rock finish and ensure a smooth ride. It comes fitted with rugged 7 inches aluminum reverse kingpin trucks, a heat-transferred logo at the bottom, and 80AB black grip tape with the logo. This item is fully assembled and ready to ride. Weight capacity of 220 pounds. Anti-wheel bike technology. Strength and flexibility in deck construction and vintage hues and cues. Number 2. Best for multiple riding styles. Magneto 44-inch Kicktail Cruiser Longboard Blue Color. Inspired by the longboarding culture of Southern California and designed by skaters, this versatile 44-inch longboard is great for skating and cruising in towns. Cocktails make this board ideal for all riding styles, and its premium quality, soft 78A urethane 70 by 51 mm wheels ensure smoothness and a superb grip while turning. The deck has a maple core with bamboo veneer on both sides and is incredibly strong, durable, stiff, and beautiful. It features a sand grit finish which brings out the bamboo design and gives extra grip, removing the hassle of replacing grip tape. The durable and sturdy trucks are designed with gravity cast 7-inch aluminum, and the bushings are medium stiffness SHR for an enhanced cruising experience. This item is perfectly sized wheels for cruising. Perfect for paddleboarding or land sup-paddling. Laser burn logo on both sides. Clean and stylish look in multiple riding styles. Number 3. Best for freestyling. Junli 41-inch Freeride Longboard Grayzone. This longboard is highly stable and controllable thanks to its 7-inch aluminum alloy trucks that are very responsive and PU support pad with super elasticity. This 41x 9.5 inches longboard has a deck crafted with 8-ply cold-pressed natural maple wood and a brushed black surface to ensure slip-resistant. Its 70 by 51 mm 88 PU wheels are extremely durable and sturdy and sport a rock finish, coupled with ABEC 11 bearings for high speed. It has a wide turning radius, is perfect for speed, downhill, and freestyle riding, and enhances your balance, strength, and reflexes. This lightweight longboard has a shock absorber ring for smooth cruising and comes along with an all-in-one T-tool so that you can disassemble it in no time if required. This item is weight capacity of 330 pounds. No assembly required. Bottom is waterproof and wheels have great traction. Number 4. Best lightweight. Seething 42-inch longboard jungle. This 42 by 10 inches cruiser longboard comes equipped with high Reben 70 mm 88 PU wheels, which feature ABEC 11 bearings, a 95A cast bushing. This ensures high speed, durability, and a lot of traction for added stability. Its deck is crafted with 9-ply Canadian hard rock maple and high-density, waterproof diamond emery paper that is slip-resistant and has superb performance. Its super elastic 95A PU support pad and 7-inch aluminum alloy, smooth gliding, reverse kingpin trucks add to responsiveness, stability, and control. This longboard has a stylish and elegant look with a streamlined design that gives you a comfortable and memorable experience. This item is lightweight. Weight capacity of 330 pounds. Built for freestyle riding and cruising. Suitable for all age groups. No assembly required and features a printed pattern at the bottom. Number 5. Best high Reben bushings. White Wave Bamboo Longboard Warrior. This attractive and functional longboard measures 39 inches by 9.5 inches. It features multiple layers of Canadian maple and bamboo with clear sprayed-on grip tape and durable and long-lasting heat-transfer graphics. The deck is durable and strong, with a bit of flex for a comfortable and smooth ride. Its 7-inch aluminum trucks feature extremely high ribbon bushings and a polished finish. Its custom-designed high ribbon 70mm by 50mm urethane hooligan wheels are coupled with a Beck 9 Hellion 2 bearings with built-in spacers, making it durable and fast. This longboard has a classic look with a cutting-edge design and gives you an experience of gliding as you longboard. This item is 29 inches wheelbase, weighs 8 pounds. Oversized rib core and wheels and trucks have grade 8 kingpin and hangers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.